First of all, don't just be what you consider to be acceptable and appropriate. You must adjust yourself to your audience. Be what I consider to be acceptable and appropriate. Now, what is this? You must be in excellent shape, which shows me you have self respect and good standards. You must be a straight male or a bi female. That's my orientation. Love it or leave it. I'll not talk to you and waste both our time if you're anything else. Guys, be professional. Don't smile too much. You look more natural when you're neutral or serious. Girls, be flirty. Smile more, touch more, and enjoy whatever I'm up to or into. It's that simple. It's also called normal, how things were before the latest weirdos tried to pressure everyone into being whatever they become. You should be hygienic, clean, tidy, hairstyled well, and longer than shoulder length for girls, and facial hair grown out for men. Good hygiene also means no cologne or perfume, no makeup, no piercings, no hair beyond the scalp, and eyebrows for girls. If I smell alcohol or cigarette smoke on your breath, you have bad hygiene, not just a bad diet and lifestyle. So don't drink or smoke, ever. Wear clothing sized to your dimensions, and free of any gross images and religious quotes. Solid color articles and sequences of colors that go well together are nice. Pictures of skulls, pink mixed with camo, and other trashy add-ons are not. Girls who are in shape and attractive should wear as little as possible. Guys who are in shape should wear normal clothes. Again, this is what I appreciate. It's my style. It's what I'm into. If you want my time and support, do what I'm into. Take the initiative. Say hi, introduce yourself, ask me about my life's work, and so on. Show me you have social skills. Be positive and genuinely so. Smile, focus on the good, find common ground, encourage the wise ideas, and seek ways you can be of help. Don't stare, project, or give off a frustrated vibe when I don't read your mind or body language. I was raised to introduce myself professionally and to wait on newcomers to introduce themselves professionally, not the other way around. Generally, you should always come by yourself. If anyone with a bad vibe or gazes is present, I will not give the dark one the opportunity to say inappropriate things. Don't cock-block yourself by allowing immature beings to tag along with you. I've walked right by goddesses, rejecting them multiple times when they showed up with jerks. The exception to this is if you come in a group of fit, attractive, positive, compatible girls, I'll accept that and only that. Volunteer to do something you know I'll love, not something you assume everyone loves. Don't ask for anything in return either. Meet me just to meet me. Help me just to be helpful, and so on. Then I'll want to talk to you, see you again, and help you. There are other appropriate ways to get my attention that will result in me hearing you out and being friendly. Ask, and I'll sense if you're ready to hear and try another one.